Ladies and gentlemen, in my video guide, I would like to tell you how to get rid of the pop-up advertisements and intrusive adverts in the form of web push notifications related to the site Tionsaresen.online. So this is the name of the website that is causing such troubles, Tionsaresen.online. Some people may unexpectedly notice these pop-ups to attack their browsers. They may affect Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox browsers primarily. And the peculiarity of these pop-ups is that mainly they attack Windows devices. The pop-up ads by the Tionsaresen.online initially may display pretty filthy content not suitable for younger generation. So for this purpose I have hidden the content of these pop-ups so that YouTube or Google would not accuse me of showing such filthy content. And of course I strongly condemn when such pop-ups may attack the screen. I attack those who distribute them. On the other hand, the occurrence of such pop-up ads in your browser may be the trace of some adware enabled in your Windows computer. So first thing you could do is to check the list of your programs and get rid of those applications that are indeed suspicious. Also, you need to stay away from interacting with such pop-ups by Tionsaresen.online. They'll try to make you think that you need to click on some allow button, supposedly to enable HD streaming feature. In reality, clicking on allow button immediately hijacks the browser. To fix these issues, you must do the following. Go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down a bit. In Firefox, click on Notifications and choose Settings. Delete any malicious sites that you find here. And now, how to fix your Google Chrome browser. So, access the menu of Google Chrome, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. In the permissions, you need to select notifications and similarly examine the bottom of the list that shows sites allowed to send notifications. In case you find any malicious sites that are causing such pop-ups on your screen, remove them. Also, I would recommend you to examine your computer. Additionally, with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner, I recommend you to download it on the official page combocleaner.com and install the software and start examining your system to make sure that your Windows computer does not have any other traces of hidden malware or adware or browser hijackers. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiment with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threads. It will also give you the location of each specific thread and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threads, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.